Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so in this video, I am taking a look at the Latte EA for MT5, an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Now, right away on the product page, we can see that this is an MT5 expert advisor developed by Evgeny Sherbina. The current version is 1.5, updated on October 25th, 2025. All right, and it is available for purchase at 165 US dollars. Now, as I scroll through the description, one of the main points highlighted by the developer is that Latte EA is designed to trade multiple symbols in a fully automated mode from a single chart. All right, and according to the developer, the EA uses a transformer neural network to forecast price movements. The description goes into considerable detail about why a transformer architecture was chosen, explaining that it can identify patterns across very long sequences of data and is intended to improve generalization compared to older neural network approaches. Okay, so the developer also notes that the EA performs extensive calculations using hundreds of bars of historical data, and because of that, historical testing may take longer than some other systems. And to speed things up, the recommendation is to test one symbol at a time and to use the 1-minute OHLC modeling option during backtesting. Looking further down the page, there are some specific recommendations for live trading. The suggested setup is Euro USD on the D1 time frame with a minimum deposit of 500 US dollars. Although the developer mentions that 1,500 US dollars may be even better. Another recommendation is setting the maximum trades per signal to 2. Now let us take a look at the available settings. The EA includes controls for maximum trades per symbol, which determines how many positions can be opened, when similar signals continue to appear. There is also a close all profit percentage feature that can automatically close trades once a specified profit target is reached. Another interesting setting is the option to resume trading after the close all profit condition has been triggered. All right. Now, depending on how it is configured, the EA can either begin trading again the next day or wait until the following week before looking for new opportunities. We also have spread protection settings, trailing stop functionality, take profit and stop loss controls, volume management options, and symbol selection controls. Now, the developer specifically emphasizes the importance of diversification and notes that keeping multiple symbols active may provide a more balanced long-term trading approach. Now, moving into the backtesting section, it is worth remembering that the developer states that the EA trades using daily data. Now, because of that, both every tick and 1-minute OHLC testing methods can be used, with the latter offering significantly faster testing speeds. But then looking at the provided results here, we can see that the test here is showing Euro USD 2020 to 2025, and initial deposit was $2,000. Total net profit was over $3.5 million. And here we have total trades taken 454, and we can see that the balance drawdown maximal was 0.17%, the relative was 0.57%, and the equity drawdown maximal was 12.65%, while the equity drawdown relative was 14.29%. All right. And this is GBP USD 2020 to 2025. It also generated over $26 million. The initial deposit of 2,000. Let's just head over to our strategy tester right away, and let us see how this EA performed. Let's head over to our strategy tester, see how the EA performed in 2026, right? So we're testing the Latte EA on Euro USD on the daily time frame as recommended, and we are just testing over the past month, okay, because of the speed. All right, the EA seems to be taking quite a lot of time, but for the purpose of accuracy, I decided to use the every tick modeling and not the 1 minute OHLC. And we're also testing, you know, so it's from the beginning of June actually till date, right? So that's less than 2 weeks, right? But I can see that from the initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was 207.64. Total trades taken were 28, out of which 14 were profitable, giving us a 50% win rate. All right, and then largest profit was 1,172.16, while the largest loss was 1,050.4. Average profit 546.58, average loss 531.75. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is just very close to 1:1. Okay. Meanwhile, I tested this over less than 2 weeks of data, right? But I recommend that if you are really interested in this EA, you want to test it over a longer period of time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or even more. Okay, so you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. But as we review the completed historical backtest results and chart activity, we are primarily evaluating how the EA behaved under past market conditions. Since the underlying decision-making process is based on the transformer neural network described on the marketplace page, the historical analysis allows us to observe how the system responded throughout the testing period without making assumptions about future performance. So I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right. Extended testing often provides a broader perspective on consistency and overall behavior. So looking at the historical testing performance, it's important to remember that results can vary depending on risk settings, position sizing, broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. Historical backtest results should always be treated as historical analysis rather than a guarantee of future returns. So overall, the Latte EA for MT5 stands out for its use of a transformer neural network, multi-symbol trading from a single chart, and a range of configurable trade management settings. As always, I recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. All right, so thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.